In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Copilot. If you want to reduce or disable Copilot related features in Microsoft 365, the process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find the setting and what to change so the app stops using experiences that analyze your content. To begin, open any Microsoft 365 app. This can be Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or another Microsoft 365 application where these account privacy settings are available. You only need to open one app to get started. Once the app is open, go to the File menu. From there, select Accounts. In some versions of Microsoft 365, you may need to click More first if the account option is not immediately visible. After you're in the Account section, look for the Account Privacy area and choose Manage Settings. This is where Microsoft stores privacy-related controls that affect connected features across the app. When the settings window opens, find the section called Connected Experiences. In this area, look for the option labeled Turn on experiences that analyze your content, or something with very similar wording. Microsoft may phrase this slightly differently depending on the app version or update, but the key idea is that it refers to features that use your document content to provide AI-assisted suggestions and related experiences. Turn that setting off. Disabling it helps prevent the app from using those content analyzing experiences, which is the main step involved in turning off Microsoft Copilot related functionality in this context. After you've turned the setting off, click OK to save your changes. This confirms the update and closes the settings window. Next, restart the app. Closing and reopening the Microsoft 365 app is important because some privacy and connected experience settings may not fully apply until the application launches again. Once the app restarts, the change should be in effect. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the Microsoft Copilot related experience by disabling the connected experience that analyzes your content. If you're following along in a different Microsoft 365 app and the wording looks a little different, don't worry. Just look for the connected experiences setting related to analyzing your content, then switch it off, save with OK, and restart the app. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want more control over how Microsoft 365 handles your content.